Hi there, what's up guys? I'm Praveen and this is Meg from BodyProCoach Fitness. Today we're going to be talking about, of course, almond bread. So we're not against carbs at all. So we love carbs, we do have carbs sometimes. But it's just that these plans like intermittent fasting plan or ketogenic plan will let you get the results faster. Now it's up to you that based on the BMR, based on the activity that you do, how much calories or what plan has to be used in order to get a faster results or probably to maintain a certain look or certain fitness levels that you have. Alright, being said that, if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe and hit the bell button that you get to know whenever we have a new video for you guys.
Everybody loves eating carbs, right? And to eat carb and still be in really good shape, there's a great substitute that is an almond bread. It is really tasty, it's highly nutritive, and yes, it does break the monotony of following a really strict diet and going out of your comfort zone and eating an almond bread and still staying in really great shape.
Exactly. So almond bread or almond as in a whole thing has got a lot of health benefits. You definitely know that it's a great source of protein. At the same time, it's a great source of vitamin C. Of course, there are a number of things that's really good in them. I'm just picking up a few of them. It's high in magnesium, which means that it's going to help you to lower the blood pressure or the blood sugar levels. So it's very good for your health. So being said that, I believe most of the time when you follow a diet, it's highly challengeable to follow a diet for a longer period of time. Yeah, exactly. So when you don't have carbs or bread or roti or rice, we're so used to eating all these things, but in ketogenic plan, when you're promoting humongously or towards ketogenic plan right now, is that it gives you that understanding to your brain saying that you're eating something which is, look like bread, which gets you the feeling of bread. At the same time, it's tasty, it gives you nutrients, so it's a great replacement or a substitute for the carbs or the roti or the bread that we generally use. So you're gonna go and try it out, and any plan that you're doing, you want to definitely do those plans for about 3 months that you get the result that you're exactly looking forward for. And it can be a completely, you can keep it forever. I mean, if you're using plan, also you can keep it forever. So it's up to you guys. Let's go.
5 whole eggs, 70 grams almond flour, butter for greasing, pinch Himalayan salt, pinch stevia, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, flax seeds, baking powder, a baking tray, 5 whole eggs. We're going to first whip them. And we're going to add half a teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of stevia, and a pinch of Himalayan salt. We're going to whip it till it becomes nice and fluffy. Now we're going to add about 2 to 3 tablespoons almond flour, and going to keep whipping the same, and Praveen is going to keep adding the same. Now we're going to add 1 tablespoon of sunflower seeds, 1 tablespoon of pumpkin seeds, flax seeds. And we're going to quickly mix the same nicely. Yes, and our batter is ready. We're going to pour this into the baking dish. So now we have a baking dish, and I'm going to grease the same with butter. I'm going to add the freshly made flour to it. I'm going to pour it in the baking dish. I'm going to dress it up with some seeds over it. And it's ready to be baked. So we're going to bake this at 200 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 15 minutes. So guys, our almond flour mixed seed bread is ready.
Yo.
It looks nice and crispy and brown. So the testing thing is that you could take a knife, you could press it, and if it comes out clean, that means it's cooked nicely.
Alright, it's time to have it now.
So guys, the almond flour bread is ready. So it's a healthy option for breakfast, good time as a snack meal. You all should try it.
Alright, you make sure that you subscribe to the channel and let the video keep coming and you guys keep getting fit. We'll see you in the next video.
See you. Take care.